Are you tired of searching through settings to change your Smartsheet password? Learn how to change it in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to your profile, open Personal Settings, then follow the simple steps to update your password. Go to the Smartsheet homepage. Click Profile icon at lower left. Select Personal Settings from the menu. Find Password section on left. Once you've found it, click on the Change Password button. Start by entering your current password in the first field. Now, type your new password in the New Password field. Then, retype that same new password in the Confirmation field. Finally, click the Save button, and you're all set. Your password has been updated. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.